Welcome to our in-depth review of the Royal Hideaway Playacar, a luxurious adults-only paradise nestled along the pristine shores of Playa del Carmen in Mexico's stunning Riviera Maya. This 5-star all-inclusive resort is a haven for couples seeking a romantic getaway or anyone looking to indulge in a truly exclusive and tranquil vacation experience. So grab your virtual passport and let's embark on a journey through this exquisite tropical retreat. Let's start by exploring the accommodations at Royal Hideaway Playacar. The resort offers a range of elegantly appointed rooms designed to provide the utmost comfort and luxury. While specific room categories beyond the luxury room weren't detailed in our sources, we can paint a vivid picture of what guests can expect. The luxury room, spanning an impressive 528 square feet, 49 square meters, sets the tone for the level of opulence throughout the property. These spacious sanctuaries feature either one plush king-size bed or two comfortable queen beds, perfect for stretching out after a day of sun-soaked relaxation. Each room boasts a private balcony or terrace, allowing guests to soak in the lush tropical surroundings or serene pool views. Step inside, and you'll find yourself surrounded by sophisticated decor, with rich mahogany furniture adding a touch of warmth and elegance to the space. The full bathroom is a mini spa in itself, complete with a refreshing shower and a luxurious hot tub. Because who doesn't love a good soak while on vacation? Tech-savvy travelers will appreciate the modern amenities, including a sleek LED TV with cable channels, a well-stocked minibar for those midnight cravings, and convenient docking stations for your iPod or iPhone. And let's not forget the Wi-Fi, because even in paradise, sometimes you need to post that perfect beach selfie or catch up on emails, though we highly recommend disconnecting and enjoying the moment. Now, let's talk about one of the most important aspects of any vacation: the food. Royal Hideaway Playacar doesn't disappoint when it comes to culinary delights. With 6 specialty restaurants on offer, your taste buds are in for a treat. While we don't have specific details on each restaurant, we know that guests can embark on a global gastronomic journey without ever leaving the resort. Fancy some Mediterranean flavors? They've got you covered. Craving authentic Mexican cuisine? Look no further. In the mood for some Italian pasta or pizza? You'll find that too. The variety ensures that even the pickiest eaters will find something to satisfy their cravings. But the real star of the show is the exclusive La Mesa del Chef, or Chef's Table experience. This unique dining adventure promises to be a highlight of your stay, offering an intimate and interactive culinary journey. Imagine watching skilled chefs work their magic right before your eyes, crafting exquisite dishes that are as much a feast for the eyes as they are for the palate. It's like having front row seats to your own personal episode of Top Chef. And let's not forget about the libations. The resort's bars serve up premium brand alcoholic beverages, so you can sip on your favorite cocktail while watching the sunset. If you're more of a teetotaler or just looking to stay hydrated in the tropical heat, fear not. There's an endless supply of fresh juices and soft drinks included in your all-inclusive package. Whether you're a margarita aficionado or prefer a virgin piña colada, the talented bartenders have got you covered. Now let's dive into one of the most exciting aspects of any beach resort: the pools and beaches. Royal Hideaway Playacar boasts not 1, not 2, but 6 fabulous swimming pools. While we don't have specific details on each pool size or depth, we can imagine a variety of aquatic experiences awaiting guests. Picture a serene infinity pool overlooking the Caribbean Sea, its edges seeming to merge with the horizon. Or perhaps a lively pool with a swim-up bar, where you can enjoy a refreshing cocktail without ever leaving the water. There might be a quiet pool tucked away in a corner of the resort, perfect for those seeking tranquility and a good book. And who knows, maybe there's even a pool with fun features like waterfalls or jets for a bit of aquatic adventure. But let's not forget the main attraction: the beach. Royal Hideaway Playacar is blessed with a prime location right on the white sandy shores that the Riviera Maya is famous for. While we don't have exact details on the length of the hotel's beachfront, we can assure you that it's the stuff of postcards and daydreams. Picture yourself wiggling your toes in soft, powdery sand, the warm Caribbean breeze tousling your hair as you gaze out at the impossibly blue waters. The resort provides beach services, so you can expect comfortable loungers and perhaps even some shady palapas for when you need a break from the sun. For those who like to add a bit of adventure to their beach days, the resort offers a variety of water sports. Fancy a bit of kayaking? Grab a paddle and explore the coastline. Always wanted to try your hand at sailing? Now's your chance. And for those who want to combine their workout with some fun in the sun, there's even windsurfing available. Whether you're a water sports pro or a complete novice, there's something for everyone to enjoy. When it comes to activities and recreation, Royal Hideaway Playacar has got you covered. Fitness enthusiasts will appreciate the well-equipped gym, though we don't have specifics on the equipment available. But let's be honest, with so much natural beauty around, who wants to be cooped up inside? The resort offers a variety of outdoor activities to keep you active and entertained. Fancy a game of tennis? Grab a racket and head to the courts. More of a basketball fan? They've got hoops for that too. For those who prefer a slower pace, there's ping pong and bocce ball. And if you want to explore the local area on 2 wheels, bicycle rentals are available. Water babies will love the aquatic activities on offer. In addition to the aforementioned kayaking, sailing, and windsurfing, you can also join in on some refreshing water aerobics classes. It's a great way to stay fit while cooling off in the tropical heat. And the best part? All these activities are included in your all-inclusive package, so you can try your hand at everything without worrying about extra costs. Now let's talk about pampering, because what's a luxury vacation without some serious relaxation? The retreat spa at Royal Hideaway Playacar is a sanctuary of tranquility designed to rejuvenate both body and mind. While we don't have a full menu of treatments, we know that guests can indulge in a variety of massages, including aromatherapy for those who want to engage all their senses. Facial treatments are available to give your skin that vacation glow, and body wraps offer a full-body pampering experience. But the spa isn't just about massages and facials. It's a fully equipped wellness center where you can truly escape the stresses of everyday life. Need a bit of pampering before a special dinner? The beauty services have got you covered, offering makeup application, hairdressing, and manicure and pedicure services. Imagine getting all dolled up for a romantic dinner, feeling refreshed and rejuvenated from head to toe. While the resort doesn't offer specific kids clubs or activities due to its adults-only policy, this actually adds to its appeal for many guests. The absence of children means a more serene, romantic atmosphere perfect for couples or groups of friends looking for a peaceful getaway. Imagine being able to lounge by the pool without the sound of splashing and squealing, or enjoying a quiet dinner without any high chairs in sight. It's a chance to truly relax and reconnect with your partner or friends without any distractions. When it comes to nearby attractions, Royal Hideaway Playacar's location in Playa del Carmen puts it at the heart of the Riviera Maya's many wonders. The vibrant town center of Playa del Carmen is just a short 5 kilometers taxi ride away. Here, you can explore the famous Fifth Avenue, a pedestrian street lined with shops, restaurants, and bars. It's the perfect place to pick up some souvenirs, try some local street food, or dance the night away at one of the many clubs. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give a thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.